We're at the Mosaic, and we're here for the Law Enforcement Torch Run Special Olympic Polar Plunge. We hold these events, one, to help raise money, but two, really to help raise awareness. The idea is inclusion. It's the inclusion revolution. It's to get individuals with intellectual disabilities included in all sorts of different events. A good bit of the money goes to our Healthy Athlete program, and the Healthy Athlete program helps our athletes get proper medical care. Chief Davis was here. We had several members from our police department. We had a lot of VIPs come today to support the event.
So I'm really proud to be part of this entire event because we have to be able to afford to give back to these young people who are such a vital part of our community.
I want to thank the community. We've had a tremendous turnout. Can't thank the community enough. Everybody supporting our goal of inclusion.
We have the greatest group of volunteers that are out in the community spreading the word and hosting events just like this Polar Plunge, where we bring the event to the community so everybody can see what we're doing and why we're doing it.
I feel chilly all over but warm inside because I love this cause. I love the people we're supporting, and I'm there with some of them on Sundays teaching them to swim. It's just a blast. I love it.
I think the cold helps to motivate us. It helps to keep us know that, there's a little bit of pain there to help us know and remember we can always do better.